we have gathered here today to celebrate 5 years of working together towards the goal of eliminating the presence of unnecessary plastic in our daily lives and, of course, in Mother Nature.
What we're asking here today is to join us, together with WWF and our partners in the country of Norway, to join us in a whole-of-government and whole-of-society effort towards building a green, solid waste management industry.
Norway is taking a stand to share the vision of our common future. We recognize the importance of international cooperation in solving the issues without borders.
Plastic pollution is a global crisis that demands global response.
Long way ahead, but I believe that we will get to change the ending for the environment with this driven network.
For embracing the shared advocacy against plastic pollution, and with us believing that it is actually possible, that there will be no plastics in nature.